What tops to wear when you have a heavy midriff? Number one, wrap tops. They are highly underrated. Wrap top in good quality fabric gives you a great fit and it takes you from day to night for various occasions. Number two, your chiffon georgette tops or blouse-ons. Buy them in a size bigger or buy them in a size that flows over your body. That way it won't stick to your body. Number three, asymmetrical styles. These are my absolute favorite because asymmetrical styles take the attention away from the body to that gorgeous style of the top. Number four, tunics, which can be styled Indo-Western, fusion, whichever way you want to do it with your denim and your pants. Number five, oversized shirts with clean, neat lines over fitted pants or leggings really look great. What you should avoid is one, tight and clingy fabrics. Two, avoid any elastic around your midriff. Three, avoid any big bold patterns around your stomach area. Editing this right now and I want to tell you that if you're not happy with your body, irrespective of what body part it is, then none of these options are going to ever work for you. So start with at least 2 or 3 options from these 5 and let me know. See, styling is art meets science and everything that I share is understanding the technicalities of it. I'm sure these tips are helpful, but besides that, if you have any specific question, always comment here and I will answer them.